How to create scraps of paper with highlights, After Effects tutorial. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new composition. Make it full HD, frame rate 30. Duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a figure according to size of our frame. Go to Effects and Presets, type CC Particle World. Open Particle, set line to quad polygon. Open Physics, change velocity to 0. Stretch the circle to the size of frame. Take the center of the ellipse and move the point of birth of particles outside the upper part. Change birth rate to 0.3. Go to gravity and decrease it to 0.1. Change longevity to 7. Go to birth size to 0.180. Death size to 0.210. Change rotation speed to 350. Initial rotation to 250. Open Gravity Vector, change Gravity X to -0.07. Gravity Z to -0.2. Open Producer. Change radius to Z 0.07. Go to Paper Layer. Ctrl+D to copy. Go to Particle. Change the colors. Go to Producer. Change radius X to 1. Position Y to -40. Go to Paper Layer. Ctrl+D to copy. Go to Particle. Change the colors. Move the layer forward a little bit. Go to paper layer. Control plus D to copy. Go to particle, change the colors. Move the layer forward a little bit. Create a new adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets, type Double C Light Rays. Drag and drop on your adjustment layer. Change radius to 10. Click on CC Light Rays and put this point here like that. Control D to copy double C light rays. Change the point to another place. Control D to copy double C light rays again. Change the point to another place. Now go Effect, Stylize, Glow. Increase glow radius. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.